This is how to add someone's number on your WhatsApp. Now the first step here is to click on the add button showing above your chat screen. Now this works for both Android and iOS. Now when you click that, click on new contact. Now when you click on new contact, go ahead and save up the number you want to save. Now this is very important, guys. Make sure you add the country code you are saving the number to. For example, this is a Nigerian number, then this is their country code +234. So when you click on there, save up the number. So now when you save the number, just click on save, and the chat, if the person is on WhatsApp, it's going to automatically appear to you here. Like as you can see, I just have to click on message and message the guy. Now you can save the person's number using your call log manually, but make sure to add the country code when you are doing that. When you do that, just go back to your WhatsApp, click on the add icon again, and then just search on the name you want of the person you saved. Now if the person you want to add to WhatsApp is not on WhatsApp, here is how you can send an invite to the person. Click on the U button showing below your screen, below your chat screen. Now this is the same for both Android and iOS. So you click on the U button. When you click on the U button, you see invite a friend. Your last button here, the last button showing invite a friend, just click on that. Now when you click on that, it will show you all your numbers or all the contacts that are not on WhatsApp. If you have already saved the person number, just click on the person number, texting the invite. So for example, I've already saved this guy's number and I want to chat with this guy. So I'll just click on his number to send him an invite. Now the invite, it's already automatically typed by WhatsApp for you, so you just have to click on the send icon to invite the person onto WhatsApp, or just click on the share link. When you click on the share link, you can go ahead and share it to anyone you want to share it by any means you want to. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.